Another example of Kruger giving Chief space. I wonder ubani umtshela ukuthi uyisikhokho. Steering, thatha steering. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 at the back. 1, 2, 3. Space Guppy, space is there. Makubela playing as a half, as a false 9. Rotate the ball. The big team, we rotate the ball. Look, where is the space? Look at this guy. Too late, my man. Now, we call the Kaizer Chiefs. Ball in the middle. Where is the space? Space is here. You have the left forward there, not tracking back with the right back. Space there, back. If you look, Maki strike. For in Panagit. Okay, obrigado. Pass. Skatatazela luena pela. Hey, sometimes the ball goes back there. Ball goes back to the right. Symbol. Ba. Pagat. Inside. Silver Fox will punish you. Have you noticed Guti? Most Yamakulu Akasepsu. Midnight Express. Let me take it back. I'll show you. Now, this guy is walking sharp. Now, it goes back there. Goes back there. It is 1, 2, 3 against 3. Okay, let's say it's 4. It's 4 against 4. Right? It's 4 against 4. Now this guy is worried about this space here. Communication. Sharp. People don't communicate. Now, he's worried about Silver Fox. There's too many of us. But here, 1, 2, it is 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 against 2. Maths. Ifuni maths high school. Even if you grade 3, you'll understand what 3 is bigger than 2. Obrigado. 1, 2. Munike utakuniketa. Simple. Our midfielder naye ball watching. Silver Fox phakathi inside. Mamiyekela uSilver Fox ebusuku uzokubonisa ezinye izinto.